Hi to all, welcome back to a day 3 vlog of Mysore. So today was our last day of stay in the hotel. We had the time up to 12 in the noon, but we thought of leaving as soon as we had our breakfast. Today too we had a complimentary breakfast. So after breakfast we checked out. Even though it was already 9:30, the climate was too good. We could find lots of mist on the way. Now on the way back we planned to go to Srirangapattanam. As I had told you in my day 1 vlog, I'll be going to Tipu Sultan's Gumbas as well as the Srirangapattanam city. So we are entering Srirangapattanam. Just from the highway road, around 5 to 6 minutes, you can find the Gumbas. So we have reached the Gumbas. You get horse riding here. The horses are maintained well, very clean. So this is the entrance of the gumbas. You can find few wooden craft items sold here. This place is calm and cool. A very nice place to spend your time. We should leave our footways over here and then enter. So outside you can find the graveyards of the soldiers, and that's the place where the Tipu Sultan, his mother and father's graveyard is. It has 3 doors to enter. So this gumbas has the graveyard of Tipu Sultan, his father and mother. That's the mosque over there. This gumbas is surrounded by most of the soldiers' graveyard. In all the corners you can find it. My son wanted to go for a horse riding. So now we are entering the Srirangapattanam city. Here you can find few temples, mosque, as well as the Tipu's death place. That's a temple over there. So this is the place where Tipu Sultan was killed. That's a mosque over there. Last time when we came, it was time for namaz and we had offered prayers over there. Now we are coming out of the Srirangapattanam city. We wanted to visit the Tipu's jail too, but my husband was going on getting calls from his office. He'll have to be there by 2, so we thought of going back soon. Tipu Sultan also have a summer palace in Bangalore. I'll be visiting that place shortly. So we have reached Bangalore. This is the Cubbon Park. On the left side is the Vikasa Sauda and on the right is the Vidhana Sauda. So we have reached Bangalore. So this was my today's vlog, the last vlog of Mysore. We'll be back soon with some other videos. Until then, bye and take care.